unboxing the Queen box from Crown. And it's a little beat up because it's a snowstorm, so the delivery got a little hectic. But don't worry about that. So it's an all-inclusive kit. It comes with a silky bonnet, edge brush, a rat tail comb, a satin scarf, a detangler brush, and a spray bottle. So I'm going to be opening it up and showing y'all. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with some scrunchies. I think this was like extra. We have our spray bottle. It's a little small one, perfect size, especially for traveling. I think this is the bonnet here. I'm not exactly sure. This is the bonnet, so we're just gonna say this is the bonnet. So I'll open it up later. We have the satin scarf. I'm trying to get all this off. We got the fancy brush, you feel me? Ow. And then we have a parting comb. This is like one of the fancy combs with the thing at the top, a rat tail. Ooh, it's bright. Yeah, the metal. I've been needing that too. And then we got an edges brush, and I've been needing this too because I've been using a toothbrush. So thank you. And this is the thing that goes on the back of the brush. So like if you want it to move or if you want it to stay stable, you'll just put this on it. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I'm super excited. I'm going to be using the products today in my style, so you guys will see me using it and whatnot. So yeah, we're going to get right into the video. So yeah, let's chit chat during this video because y'all can comment in the comment section how y'all feeling, if y'all in school, like how it's going and stuff. School going pretty good for me. I'm taking a really hard class right now, but I'm doing alright. Like I'm not really stressing about it for now. It's supposed to be the hardest class in my school, but I feel like I'm doing okay for now. And as long as I study, I'm gonna be alright. So I'm not really stressing too much. Today we're gonna be doing a twist out. Ooh, this comb, your purr. Oh shit. Where is it? So I'll never part my hair this way because I just don't like to. But I'm gonna try it. Ooh, it's not crisp. I'm gonna do that after. I'm gonna do it with the bottom of the comb because I ain't good at this. I don't know what I'm doing. This looks so confusing. Okay, that's good enough. So I'm gonna section this front part off and the backs. Ooh. I'm so happy to do a video. I've had a long week. I wonder if this changes so it's like more of a spray. Yeah, okay. This water is so cold. I should have got warm water. And a little conditioner to my hair because I didn't condition in the shower. I like to condition when I'm not in the shower because I can take my time. And ooh, I didn't even realize I had my mask on. Yikes. I was just that's so embarrassing. Anyways, we just putting this on my hair. Probably need some more water. It feels a little dry. Okay, so I finished detangling the whole back and I'm gonna start parting. So I'm using a comb, of course. Oh, this feels good. It's just something about the metal touching my scalp. That sounds so weird. Like, that sounds like I'm being extra. It's inside. Let me turn this way so I can see. My part not straight, and I'm not even worried about it because it's the back of my head. So, yeah. So I'm gonna be using my Cream of Nature twist and curl pudding. I already have that on, and I'm gonna use some of this oil that my friend brought me from Nia's Nutrients. I'm gonna apply that to my roots and then my ends. I'm gonna grab some of the pudding. I'm gonna start at the bottom and work it up to the root. I'm gonna add a little bit more at the root to make sure it's fully saturated. And brush it out. You know what I want to try? I want to try doing a 3-strand twist. I know how to do it, but I've never like done it on my hair, like a 3-strand twist out. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. So maybe one day I'll try that. But yeah, I like to slide my finger through the hair as I'm bringing it down because it helps the hair stay smooth and not tangle up as I'm twisting, and it gives it a more sleek look once I take them out. It's not as frizzy, and yeah, I just keep twisting all the way down. Curl the ends, give it a little tap, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna work on this other end. I have one in the middle, but I'm not gonna work on that one. I'm doing the same method. This is my twist finally done. They're a little long on this side, but they scrunch up as they dry. The curls on this side is popping, baby girl. So I'm gonna tie the scarf on my head just to lay the top down, because I like when my hair is laid down, and I don't know what I did with the scarf on my head. Today is Thursday night, so I'm gonna give my hair all of Friday to dry. And if I feel like it's completely dry, I'll probably take it out on Saturday evening to give y'all the full look of the twist out. So I'm just putting it on like this. And I'm gonna put the bonnet on top after I tie it. It's really long too, so you don't have to worry about if it's not gonna go around your head because it has a lot of slack in the back. I'm gonna put my bonnet on. Ooh, it's tight. This is kind of tight though. The bonnet is tight around my head, but I feel like that'll help with it not falling off my head. I don't know, like maybe if you have a big head, your head might not fit in this bonnet. I don't know. My head kind of big though, so it's very lightweight. Gives your hair room to breathe and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'll be back on Saturday to show y'all what my hair looks like when I take the twist out. So I'll see y'all later. Bye. I'm gonna be using the same oil. This is Summer Days, and I'm gonna link it. I forgot to link it in the last video, but I'm just gonna put it on my hands like a little droplets. So it's thick, but oh my gosh, this stuff smells so good. Literally the best oil. So I'm just gonna twist like this in the direction, well, like spin it in the direction that it wasn't twisted in, so it can unravel. This piece of hair is in the way. Okay, here we go. Just keep going down, trying to spin it in the right direction. Okay, here. So I finished taking my hair out. Now I don't know how I like it. I don't really like twist outs, but I was trying to do something different. I don't like how my ends look up here, but like other than that, it looks kind of good. I'm gonna use some Eco Styler to slick my edges down with the edge brush from my curl box. So I'm just dipping it in there like this. Looks like I actually like it. Yeah, I actually like it. So that's it for this style. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna link all the products that I use in the description, so make sure you scroll down and look for that. Drop a comment on whatever style you want to see coming soon. I would love to do whatever you guys suggest, because sometimes I'll be running out of ideas and y'all can help me out. So just drop some suggestions in the thing, and then follow me on Instagram at Ashanti. It'll be in the description too, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.